This is the Union Pro USB-C 8-in-1 hub. Not only was it designed to look clean and minimal, but also to be compact and functional. The USB-C connector is removable and can be swapped out with a longer cable to match your productivity needs. Considering the frequency of interface usage, the location of the ports have been thoughtfully arranged. One side acts as the rear port side. Cables that are plugged in are not swapped out frequently. And the other side to handle high traffic, like SD and microSD card that would get plugged in and out on a daily basis. It comes with a rugged rubber casing, which gives you a good grip when lying on the table and extra protection for when you are on the go. Even if it falls to the ground, it would not cause any damage to the hub. The 8-in-1 hub features a USB 2.0 port for up to 480 megabits per second and an additional 2 USB 3.0 ports for up to 5 gigabits per second transfer speed, 1 gigabit per second Ethernet, SD and microSD card, both with a transfer speed of 104 megabits per second, 4K30 HDMI port, and last but not least, a USB-C power delivery port for up to 100 watts of power delivery.